The first example on Cramer's rule. The question is solve the following equation by using Cramer's rule. The first equation x plus y plus z equal to 6. Second is x minus y plus z equal to 2. And third is x plus 2y minus z equal to 2. Now by using Cramer's rule means we use determinant. First we solve first determinant d. Here we write all the coefficients of x, y and z. Now in the first column we write coefficient of x from three equations that are 1, 1 and 1. In second column we write 1, minus 1, 2. And in third column we write 1, 1 and minus 1. Now solve by using our general process. First we take 1, eliminate column and row of that one, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. Then eliminate column and row, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, plus 1. Eliminate column and row, 1 minus 1, 1, 2. Now taking cross multiplication, 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1, 2, minus, again minus 1. That is 1, minus 1, minus 2. And this one is plus, that is 3. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, and the answer is 2 plus 3, 5, minus 1, that is 4. The answer of D. Now we solve dx. Today we see application of determinant. म्हणजे determinant आपल्याला कुठे यूज करता येईल. Then our first application is Cramer's rule, means to solve three equations with three unknowns x, y, z. म्हणजे असे तीन लिनियर इक्वेशन्स दिलेले असतील आणि x, y, z ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची असेल तर आपण डिटर्मिनंटचा यूज करू शकतो. and that rule is known as the Cramer's rule. How we can use? If the three equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to d3, then the first determinant we solve by taking coefficients of x, y, z of three equations. आता इथे x चे जेवढे कोएफिशिएंट्स आहेत ते आपण पहिल्या कॉलम मध्ये लिहिलेत, a1, a2, a3. Then coefficient of y in second column, b1, b2, b3, and in third column coefficient of z, c1, c2, c3. By our general formula solve this determinant. Then after we have to find another determinant, that is dx. How we can write dx? In place of the coefficient of x, म्हणजे पहिल्या d मध्ये जो आपण x चा कोएफिशिएंट लिहिलाय तो आपल्याला काढून टाकायचा आहे. In place of that we write d1, d2, d3, means right side elements. In place of coefficient of x we write right side elements to find dx. Remaining two columns are as it is, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Then solve this determinant. Then to solve dy, similarly to dx, we replace the coefficient of y from the d. In place of we write right side elements d1, d2, d3, and first and third column as it is. And then dz, to solve dz we replace the coefficients of z from d. In place of we write d1, d2, d3 and solve. After finding all these four determinants we write Cramer's rule, that is to find x we have dx upon d. म्हणजे इथे dx च्या आन्सरला डिवाइडेड बाय d घ्यायचं आहे, we get x. dy upon d we get y, and dz upon d we get z. Now to solve dx, again we write determinant. Now for dx we replace the first column by the right side element 6, 2 and 2. म्हणजे x सॉल्व करायचे आपल्याला, म्हणून आपण पहिल्या कॉलमच्या जागेवर राइट साइडचे एलिमेंट्स घेऊ 6, 2, 2. बाकीचे दोन्ही कॉलम्स y चे कोएफिशिएंट्स आणि z चे कोएफिशिएंट as it is. Now we solve again 6. Don't write determinant. We can directly take cross multiplication here. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now eliminate this column and take cross multiplication. Minus 2 minus 2 plus 1. Again eliminate this column. 4 minus minus 2. That is 6 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 plus 1. This one is minus minus, 2 times minus, therefore that becomes plus. 4 plus 2, 6. That is equal to minus 6 plus 4 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel, we get answer 4. In the same way, now we solve dy, and for that the first column of x 1 1 1 we write as it is. In place of second column we write right side elements 6 2 2. Third is as it is 1 1 minus 1. म्हणजे dy सॉल्व करायचं असेल तर x चे आणि y चे कोएफिशिएंट x चे आणि z चे कोएफिशिएंट ॲज इट इज घ्यायचे आणि y च्या जागेवर आपल्याला राइट साइड चे एलिमेंट्स. नाउ सॉल्व 1 अगेन -2 -2 -6 -1 -1 plus 1 2 minus 2, that is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 1 0, that we calculate minus 4 plus 12 and this one is 0, minus 4 plus 12 is 8. Now we solve dz to get the value of z. First column of coefficient of x as it is, second column coefficient of y as it is, and in place of third column we write right side elements 6 2 2 and solve it. 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 2 minus 2, हा कॉलम सोडायचा, हा 2 minus 2 plus 6, परत हा कॉलम आणि हा रो सोडा 2 minus minus 1 and that we get 1 minus 6 minus 1 0 plus 6 3, that is equal to minus 6 minus 0 plus 18, that is minus 6 plus 18 is equal to 12. Now after finding all determinants d, dx, dy and dz we write now by Cramer's rule. The Cramer's rule is x equal to dx upon d. The value of dx is 4 and the value of d is 4, therefore the value of x is 1. In the same way y, that is dy upon d, the value of dy is 8, the value of d is 4, the value of y is 2. In the same way we write z, that is dz upon d, the value of dz is 12 upon d is 4, the value of z is 3, and therefore the solution of these equations means the values of x, y, z are 1, 2 and 3. Now we see second example. The three equations given, x plus z equal to 1, y plus z equal to 1, x plus y equal to 4. Now here look carefully. In the first equation there is not y, in the second equation there is not x, and in third equation there is not z. Therefore now we write b first of all, that is coefficient of x, here 1, in second equation there is not x, therefore 0, in third equation again 1. Now second column coefficient of y, but here there is not y, therefore we write 0, then 1 and 1. Now in third column 1, again 1, and the last equation z is not there, therefore we write 0. Now we solve d equal to 1, 0 minus 1 minus 0, हा column सोडून 0 minus 1 plus 1, again this column 0 minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2, that is value of d. Now we solve dx, that is for dx we replace the first column by right side elements, means we write 1 1 4. In second column coefficient of y, there is not y, 0 1 1. In third column z, coefficient of z means 1 1 and 0. Now we solve it. 1 0 minus 1, हे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन, माइनस 0, आता हे काढून हा क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन, 0 minus 4, then plus 1. Now take this cross multiplication, 1 minus 4, that is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 0 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, minus 1, this is 0, minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Now we solve dy, and for dy first coefficient of x 1 0 1, replace by right side elements 1 1 4, z110. Now we solve 1 0 minus 4 minus 1 0 minus 1 plus 1 0 minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus minus plus 1 plus minus minus 1. 1 minus 1 cancel, we get minus 4. Now for dz 1 0 1, the coefficient of x, then coefficient of y 0 1 1. In place of coefficient of z, we write right side element 1 1 4. That is equal to 1 4 minus 1 minus 0 0 minus 1 plus 1 0 minus 1. That is equal to 1 3 minus 0 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 3 0 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now after finding all determinants, we calculate xyz by Cramer's rule. And the Cramer's rule is x equal to dx upon d. The value of dx is minus 4 upon the value of d is minus 2, that is equal to 2. Now y is equal to dy upon d. The value of dy also minus 4, d is minus 2, that is equal to 2. Then z, dz upon d, dz is 2, d also minus 2, 2 upon minus 2 is minus 1, and therefore the solution of this equation is 2 2 minus 1. The next question is minus 2 upon x minus 1 upon y minus 3 upon z is equal to 3. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y plus 1 upon z equal to minus 13. 2 upon x minus 3 upon z is equal to minus 11. आता इथे या क्वेश्चन्स मध्ये हे जे एक्स वाय झेड आहेत ते न्यूमरेटर्सला नाहीये, डिनॉमिनेटरला आहे. मग जर एक्स वाय झेड डिनॉमिनेटरला असतील तर डायरेक्ट ह्याच अशाच टर्म्स घेऊन आपल्याला डिटर्मिनंट सॉल्व करायचे नाही. आधी आपण हे जे रेसिप्रोकल्स आहेत म्हणजे 1 अपॉन एक्स 1 अपॉन वाय 1 अपॉन झेड याला आपण वेगळे व्हेरिएबल्स कन्सिडर करू. दॅट मीन्स हिअर वी कन्सिडर 1 अपॉन एक्स दॅट इज ए, 1 अपॉन वाय इज इक्वल टू बी, 1 अपॉन झेड इज इक्वल टू C. Now in place of 1 upon x, 1 upon y and 1 upon z we write a, b, c. Then our equations becomes, आता इथे 1 upon x च्या जागेवर a, minus 2 as it is, that means minus 2a. Here 1 upon y is b, minus b. Minus 3 as it is, 1 upon z is c is equal to 3. Second equation is 2a minus 3b plus c equal to minus 30. Similarly, the third equation is 2a minus 3c because there is z not y is equal to minus 11. Now we solve these three equations by using Cramer's rule, means using determinants. First of all d, coefficients of a, b and c now. First of all a minus 2, 2, 2. Then coefficient of b minus 1, minus 3, 0. There is not b. Then minus 3, 1 and minus 3, that is equal to minus 2, 9 minus 0, minus minus 1. Here minus already and the element also minus, therefore minus 1, minus 6 minus 2 plus then minus 3, 0 minus minus 6 is equal to minus 2 9 plus 1 minus 8 minus 3, that this one is minus minus plus minus minus 3 and this is minus minus 6 is equal to minus 18 minus 8 and again minus 18, that is equal to minus 18 minus 8 is minus 18 again minus 44. Now we solve dx. पण आपण इथे x ला रिप्लेस केलं a ने, x 1 upon x ला a घेतलाय म्हणून इथे आपण dA असं सॉल्व करू. Then in the first column, right side elements 3 minus 13 minus 11. The second coefficient of b, that is minus 1 minus 3 minus 0. Here is not 1. Then minus 3 1 minus 3, that is equal to 3 9 minus 0, that one is minus 1 minus 13 into minus 3 39 minus 11 into 1 plus minus 3 0 minus 33, that is equal to 3 9 plus 1 plus here 39 minus plus 11, that is 50 minus 3 minus 33, that is equal to 27 plus 50 minus plus 99. 27 plus 50 plus 99 is equal to 176. Now we solve db, and for db, first column as it is minus 2, 2 and 2. In place of second column we write right side elements 3 minus 13 minus 11, and third column is minus 3, 1 and minus 3. Minus 2, 39 minus 11, minus 3, minus 6 minus 2, plus minus 3, minus 22 plus minus 26, minus 2 into minus 33, minus 2 plus, that is 50, minus 3 minus 8, minus 3, this one is plus minus 3, minus 22 plus 26 means 4, that is equal to minus 100 plus 8 into 3 24 minus 4 into 3 12, and the answer is minus 100 plus 24 minus 12 is minus 88. To solve DC, first column is as it is minus 2, 2, 2, second is minus 1, minus 3 and 0, and in place of third column we write right side elements 3 minus 13 minus 11, that we get minus 2, 33 minus 0, minus 1, minus 22 minus 26, and plus 3, 0 minus 6 is equal to minus 2, 33 plus 1 minus plus minus 22 plus 26 is 4, plus 3, again this one is minus 6 is equal to minus 66 plus 4 plus 6 into 3 18 is equal to minus 66 plus 4 plus 18 is minus 44. Now by Cramer's rule, here we find D, DA, DB and DC. Therefore we get A, B and C. Then A equal to DA upon D, B equal to DB upon D, and C is equal to DC upon D. The value of DA is 176 upon the value of D is minus 44. That is equal to the value of A is minus 4. In the same way, B equal to DB upon D, the value of DB is minus 88 upon D is minus 44 is equal to 2. The value of DC is minus 44, D is minus 44, that is equal to 1. But in this question is in X, Y and Z, and we find ABC. We want the values of X, Y, Z. That we consider first 1 upon X is equal to A. आपण वरती कन्सिडर केलंय 1 upon X ला A. मग A ची व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड केली आहे -4. आपल्याला पाहिजे X ची व्हॅल्यू 1 upon X ची मिळाली आहे. टेकिंग रेसिप्रोकस म्हणजे दोन्ही साइडचा रेसिप्रोकल घ्यायचा. हा X न्यूमरेटरला जाईल आणि हा 4 डिनॉमिनेटरला, दॅट इज 1 upon -4. वी कॅन राइट -1/4 also. Similarly, 1 upon Y is equal to B. The value of B is 2. Taking reciprocus, then Y is equal to 1/2. Similarly, 1 by Z is equal to C. The value of C is 1, and therefore the value of Z is 1 upon 1, that is only 1. And therefore answer of this -1/4, 1/2 and 1. Now we see next example. That example is word problem. In this question, information is given. Using this information, we create equations, and then by using determinant, we solve it. By using Cramer's rule, we solve it. Now look carefully. What is the question? The sum of three numbers is 15. म्हणजे 3 नंबरचं ऍडिशन 15 आहे आणि आपल्याला ते 3 नंबर्स फाइंड करायचे. मग सुरुवातीला आपण कन्सिडर करू. लेट द 3 नंबर्स be x, y and z. Now using the given conditions, according to conditions, there are 3 conditions in the questions. According to conditions, the first is the sum of 3 numbers is 15. म्हणजे 3 नंबरचे ॲडिशन 15 आहे. मग आपलं पहिलं इक्वेशन येणार x plus y plus z, that is equal to 15. Now we create the second equation, that is if the second number is subtracted. आता second number आपण y consider केलाय. y is subtracted from the sum of first and third number. Sum means addition, first and third number. We get 5. We get 5 means the proper form of the second equation is x minus y plus z is equal to 5. The first and second equation. Now we create this third equation using third condition, that is when the third number is subtracted. Third number is subtracted. Third number is z from the sum of twice of the first. Twice of the first means 2x. Twice म्हणजे double. Double of first number. Twice of the first and the second number and the second number. म्हणजे डबल एक पहिल्या नंबरचा घ्यायचा आणि सेकंड नंबरच्या सम मधून थर्ड नंबर मायनस करायचा. We get 4. And that we create 3 equations, and now by using Cramer's rule, by using determinant method, we solve these 3 equations. That means our equations are, the first is x plus y plus z equal to 15, x minus y plus z equal to 5, and the third equation is 2x plus y minus z equal to 4. Then by our general process of Cramer's rule, means first find d, dx, dy and dz, we get the value of x is 3, the value of y is 5, and the value of z is 7, and therefore the required 3 numbers are 3, 5, 7. Now look here, when we put these values in the conditions, we satisfy these equations. 3 plus 5 plus 7, first equation, that is equal to 15, that satisfies. Now x minus y plus z, x 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 2 plus 7, 5. The second is also satisfied. 2 into 3, 6 minus 6 plus 5, 11 minus 7, that is equal to 4. That is third equation also satisfied. And therefore, the required 3 numbers are x equal to 3, y equal to 5 and z equal to 7.